Hello there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to Forex Business Hub, and in this video I'm going to analyze the market fundamentally for the next Monday to Friday. That means for the next week. And as per you can see there, we just started with USD news. That means gold most probably connected with USD. So we have to keep our concern in USD news while we want to trade in gold. Okay, there is two kind of news coming when we follow USD news. One of them is positive news, another one is negative news. Okay, before we start, we need to keep our concern one of major thing, that is geopolitical issue. Okay, geopolitical issue. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, what is geopolitical issue? Geopolitical issue is like current Middle East war, Russia-Ukraine tension, and Donald Trump's speaking about the Middle East. That means Israel and Iranian war. Okay, this is very important. While you want to trade on gold, you have to keep your concern on that geopolitical issue also. Okay, and after that we have to follow economic calendar like from forexfactory.com, investing.com, and many other websites like that. So you may follow them and you can get accurate data from the news or website where is a lot of news like unemployment claims. Okay, there is a manufacturing index, then existing home sales and flash service PMI, like that. A lot of that kind of news over here, and if we follow them, we can make a smart amount from the market. Okay, so let's get back our previous topic. As you can see there, there is two kind of news in the market. One of them is positive news, another one is negative news. And here is short note about positive and negative news. Positive news comes with positive data like green 0.5%, green 245k, and that indicates sell for gold. It means for positive news we will sell gold, and for negative news it come with red 0.5%, red 245k, and indicate buy for gold. Okay, for negative news we will buy gold. Okay, and you may ask me, Mr. Boom, why for positive news we will sell gold, why for negative news we will buy gold? Okay, let me explain. And as you can see there, there is a triangle of gold and there is a triangle of USD, and one triangle of gold is equal to 2500 United States dollar triangle. That means gold value is always fixed. You have to keep your concern in these two things. Number one is gold value is always fixed, that means constant, and USD value is always changeable. That means there can be inflation on United States dollar, but nothing can affect on gold. Okay, that means currency can be changed ups or down. Gold is always constant and currency is variable. Okay, and if we found plus 5% on USD, that means USD news, if USD news come with plus 5% data, that means we will add 5% on with United States dollar. So this is 5% bigger than previous one. So in that case gold is smaller than United States dollar, so we will sell gold in that case. And if we think minus 5% in gold, that will be in USD, that triangle will be minus 5% from the previous one. In that case gold is bigger than USD, so we will buy gold. This is the simple theory. I hope you understand. I already talked a lot about the topic. Okay, and let check the economic calendar, that means economic news. And as you can see there is a lot of news coming, that means all of USD news coming in upcoming days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Those 5 days we have a lot of news on this market. So if you keep your concern on this news, so you may make a decent amount in next week. Okay, as you can see there, in Monday there is two kind of news I just marked here, and one of them semi-major news, like orange color are semi-major and red color are very important, that means major news. So if news data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If news data come with negative value, we will buy gold. Okay, and same thing for Tuesday, we have one USD major news and two semi-major news. Okay, same thing, if data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If data come with negative value, we will buy gold. And Wednesday we have major news. If data come with positive, we will sell gold. If data come with negative, we will buy gold. Okay, you have to do that immediately. For that you may join our Telegram channel, because we are sharing a lot of update in our Telegram channel. So you may check there, and you will get real-time data or real-time news update on our Telegram channel. So in Thursday we have a lot of news. There is two major news and three are or four are semi-major. So same theory over here, okay, for positive, for negative, okay. And in Friday we have core PCE index so you may follow that. If data come with positive, we will sell gold. If data come with negative, we will buy gold, okay. And I hope you understand all thing about the economic calendar. And as per I said before, geopolitical issues are very important, okay. You have to keep your concern. What is Donald Trump's concern about the Middle East, Russia, Ukraine, and what is happening on the Iran and Israel, and it can be Palestine, it can be Houthis and other stuffs who are attending in the war. So you have to keep your concern on that thing, and we are updating each and every moment in our Telegram channel. So if you already in our Telegram channel, so you may unmute our channel and pin at top to get update each and every moment, okay. Or if you already not join it yet, so you may join our Telegram channel. You can find out our link and video description in YouTube, okay. So that's for now. Mr. B signing out. Happy trading, have a nice day.
Started with a dream and $1 in my hand. Now the screens are flashing like I planned. Signals rolling in like a winning land. Riding waves of fortune across the sand.